No, ma'am.
Okay. Have you ever heard of this name, this Nepal Medical Council? This is the association where we are related. Okay, Nepal Medical Council. You people have that sense, no, that after doing our internship, we have to go through this medical council. Is it a new term for you guys? This one, Nepal Medical Council?
No, ma'am.
So today we are talking about this Nepal Medical Council, how it act and what are the influences of this Nepal Medical Council on us, why it is important for us. So this is very important topic. This is frequently asked in questions also and very important in our daily life also. We have to follow the rule of Nepal Medical Council in our daily life. If you are medical person, so there were many amendments, there were many laws that was made since 1956 to 2056 BS, that is Bikram Sambat. But amendment changes was frequently going on because they say they see the scenario, they see the environment, and they make the different changes in their act. So according to the 2020 Nepal Medical Act, what it says is first amendment was done in 2044. This is all in BS because we are talking about Bikram Sambat and we are strictly talking about this Nepal Medical Council. We are not talking about Indian Medical Council or we are not talking about US Medical Council. We are just talking about Nepal Medical Councils where we are related right now. And again, another amendment, seeing the situation and feeling the changes that has to be made, they made another amendment or changes in 2047. Again in 55, again in 58, preamble. What is the preamble? Having considered it desirable to specify the qualifications of doctor in modern medicines and for the registrations of qualified doctor for scientific use of modern science throughout the Kingdom of Nepal. This law has been enacted by His Majesty King Mahendra Bir Bikram Shahadev with the advice and consult of Rashtriya Panchayat. Okay, this was the how it was emerged or started, Nepal Medical Council. Now this is one of the biggest council seeing all the doctors whole over the Nepal. So we all are under this council. What are the objectives? Why they made this one? Councils. To specify the qualifications of doctor in modern science, registration of qualified doctor, because we all have a council number, right? Scientific applications of modern science throughout the country. Now, this is also one of the important questions that may arise or that may come in your final exams also. Compositions of council. Who are the persons who are responsible for making all this council? One person is nominated by Nepal government, that is from the amongst doctor with minimum of 20 years experience. Listen, student, you have to mog it out this, right? 20 years of experience and registered doctors and master in medical science. That is a chairperson. The main chairperson should have all these qualifications. And one person is elected from all the registered doctor with minimum 15 years experience and master in medicine science. That means the person has to be specialized or masters. That person is vice chairman. Got it? Now, how many people have been included? 2. And 8% elected from all the registered doctor members. So they are elected. They are selected by doctor among us. Now becomes how many people together? All together, 10. Chairperson from Nepal Medical Association, that is only a member. So now 11. Chairperson from Nepal Dental Association, member 1. Now 12. One person nominated by Nepal government from deans or rectors of medical college and health science academy. That is also another member. Now become 13. One person nominated by Nepal government. That is from the consumer member. Now become 14. 3% nominated by Nepal government from doctors with masters in any medical specialty except dental member. So how many? If 3 added in, 15, 18, right? 17 I think. 2% nominated by Nepal medical government from dental doctor with master degree member. Now become total how many members should be there in Nepal Medical Council? It should be 19. Functions, right and duties of the council. What are the criteria to work? To determine the qualifications of doctor and to provide registration certificate by taking licensing exam for the new doctors. I think you people are oriented with these functions of the Nepal Medical Councils. To maintain the register, because we have been registered out there, so it is very easy to trace out any doctor who are registered in council. To give recognition to medical institution providing a formal studies in medical sciences and training. So they are the one who prepare curriculum for MBBS, for BDS, for everyone who is under the council. Okay. To formulate the policies related to the curriculum, admission terms and exam systems of the teaching institute of the medical education. So it is very influential institute for us being a medical student. Regular supervision of medical college, so we have a frequent visit of medical council in our hospitals also. Whether we are following the rules or not, they look after all those things. Right to de-recognizing and advice to stop the program of the college. Even they have that right to do that. To formulate the necessary policies to run the doctor's profession smoothly. To take the action against the doctor who violate ethical norms and regulations. For what they can take a strict steps to to the doctors that we will be learning in our next session. Type of registration. First of all, what do you get? For interns, you get a provisional. During your internship for 9 months to 12 months, you get a provisional certificates of registrations. After that, when you clear a council, you will get a temporary. That is after passing a licensing exam. So you will be under supervision for 2 years in temporary registrations. When you don't have any issue or when you go through it in a temporary registration smoothly for more than 2 years, then you will be eligible to ask or apply for permanent registrations. That is after 2 years of experience. Specialist registration is especially you get after doing your master degree and you passed a council exam again. So registrations for the foreigner nationals in the internship also. That is justifications of the need. They have to provide the justifiable answer why they want to stock out in Nepal and why they want to get a Nepal Medical Council registrations. They have to show their permanent residency and the other followed document when they want to register in the medical councils, not only Indian, any of the foreigners. And there should be, for foreigners, annual renewal is very important. For us, it's not that important. This is it for today. Is there any questions regarding Nepal Medical Council? Because I wanted to go through this short topic today. Which is very important also. Any questions regarding this one? Anyone come up with your mic on mute? Anything that is not clear to you?